So today is the day where we're finally going to try and fit all these parts to our new Porsche Cayenne project. There's a lot of bits and a lot of boxes. So we're going to get that on the ramp, get it pulled apart, and then hopefully by the end of this video, you're going to see that looking a lot different than it does now.
Tryna put your nose in it, I ain't gotta lie to you. New whip, burning weed in it. It be hard not to speed in it, I ain't gotta lie to you. Talk with a lot of emphasis, like me, only difference is I ain't gotta lie to you. I know you're gonna learn to love me, cause I be pretty when it's ugly. I hit her with a Dougie. I told her, baby girl, you love me, but keep the gavel, don't judge me. I'm everywhere the sun be. I'm at the crib sitting comfy. I go bananas on the monkey, I turned it to a junkie. And all my niggas from the country, but we be flying out the country. My pockets on chunky, quarter ounce of the musty. Talking numbers with the trusty. I see you getting rusty. Busted baby looking busty. Heard them hating, that disgust me. Man, don't even discuss me. 1 week, 2 shows in it. One bad, 2 hoes in it. I ain't gotta lie to you. iPhone, new flows in it. Don't be tryna put your nose in it. I ain't gotta lie to you.
Look, I'm a rock star in real life. We was doing Grand Theft Autos, hitting licks, home invasions. It was a good night. Take the goods to the plug, then he bring us back about 2K. Feeling like a baller, see the Jordan on my shoelace. Nuketown, stepping off buses, hopping on fences. Call of Duty, me and my niggas, we in the trenches. Camping at the crib, playing True Crime LA. Santa Dre's nice, bumping Ice Cubes, good days. Such a 90s baby though. If we grind it, then we grind it, man, I feel like Tony Hawk. And my homies got the iron, man, they feel like Tony Stark. And you better watch your head, cause it get wicked up the door. Feeling like Kobe back in his prime. If we talking about the numbers, then I probably go LeBron. I'm a lion out the jungle, at the top, I'm like the Dons. This my life, it ain't a movie, I won't be at Comic-Con. Look, big shit poppin', grinding like ain't no option. Throwing assist to all my homies, bitch, I feel like John Stockton. Every week I stay dropping, bitch, I stay consistent in. Hurt the blind, lead the blind, but I got the vision in. Know the streets deficient, needed my assistance. Real since my existence, came a long distance.
So many days I get too stuck in no ways. Blame it how I was raised, so she get it displayed.
Look.
So here we are then, about halfway through the build now, and we've took a lot of parts off this car. We've managed to get all this together with pretty much no instructions. We haven't really looked at any of the YouTube videos or anything, apart from one bit. We did have to check a YouTube video for that. But other than that, it's been pretty straightforward. You look at the parts, you can figure out where they go, you bolt them all together, and so far so good. We haven't put it on the floor yet, so we don't know. We might put it on the floor and it will fall apart. We've just got to get the roof rack on, just final fitting of the bumper, all the lift kits done, and then we'll be able to get the wheels on, get it on the floor, and show you what it's going to look like. Ah, I nearly fell off. have it, a bunch of parts fitted, and I think it's looking a lot better. I do like my vehicles modified and not stock. Maybe it's not for everyone, but I think it looks pretty unique. I can't lie, I was a little bit concerned when I saw these wheels and tyres. They were like the size of a lorry wheel, but the 3-inch lift and then the crop bumpers, and they work. You will notice though, we haven't got the lights on the front or up on the roof rack yet. I'll tell you for why, because the next episode of this video, you're gonna see this totally transform and change color. So rather than fitting all the lights while we've got the roof rack up on the roof, that's got to come off anyway. So we're going to fit those at that point. We've also got to drill some holes, and some brackets have got to be modified just to make them all fit, and it's easier to do that on the floor. So I hope you've liked this episode. Maybe if you want to take a guess at what colour this is going in the comments. I've made my decision, it's final, I'm set on it, I'm not going to change my mind. If you can guess, let me know what you think it is. All that's left for us to do now is get that over to the guys at Identity Wraps, where we're going to totally transform it once more. Thanks again for watching, see you on the next one.